Assalamu alaikum. One GSM friend. Today's subject Realme N65 5G RMX 3997. Scatter file 100% tested. Hang logo date mode repair auto on off DM very fail. You don't mind your my file 100% tested. Now you see new mobile. Any problem? Even WhatsApp are not 24-hour service. Next. Infinix X6532 enemy data by DFT 100% trusted. This flash file, MDN file, DFT the remove bypass, but this mobile auto on off. Any model the flash now model change file change, but no result. Just enemy data is a DFT try and again. Next, Vivo T1 5G V2141 QCN file 100% trusted. Next, OnePlus Note N20 SC 5G NB RAM Bazwan fax unknown 100% working. Now see to download even WhatsApp shut now. Next, Redmi K70 Ultra Redmi Engineering Room 100% trusted. Now see download even WhatsApp shut now. Next, Oppo Nero 7 CPH 2363 MDM file 100% tested now solution. Okay, you don't worry. All GSM pen at first my YouTube channel subscribe, like and comment on Facebook share. Any problem in one WhatsApp so not 24-hour service. Any file I am very confused. My YouTube channel description no link, just link comment box no link. Now any browser open the right now Google. Now see Google right now Borsha Mobile. Okay, just click blogger site open. Just search blogger. This model now. Any model X6532 magic system. Okay. Now see ready. Don't worry. Please just minute wait. Fast. Download. Email WhatsApp. Chat now 24 hours but wait file. Any model. Just search blogger is search now. Any model. Search now. Okay. Good night, GSM friend. I am ready only for you. 24-hour service. Goodbye.